So this is the package which I have ordered from BM Embedded Solution, which is a Delhi based company, and I got that I think within 2 days. So if you reside in Delhi and willing to buy some electronic components, so that is going to be a good alternative to AliExpress. So as you can see, those are the things I have bought from there, and I think in India they are offering the cheapest price for ESP32 cam. So I have ordered that. Let's just unbox it. On Amazon we are getting around 900 rupees for this as a quoted price, and here I'm able to buy it around I think 780 rupees, so it's kind of good. So this is something I have bought. I hardly remember what I have ordered. So these are some things. I think it's a magnetic door sensor, and this one is amplifier, and this is ESP32 cam. So I will be making videos of that, and I have bought this one. That's a transparent Arduino casing. So these are the things which I have bought. So I think it's looking much nicer, just like a Robo.in. There is some products which are really costly on that side. That's why I need to choose the alternative. So that's something, and I will post if anything comes in my mind after that. So okay, bye.